Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I've got a question for you. We've been getting so many questions from all of our viewers and subscribers that I thought today I would ask you a question. Fact or fiction, can you boil water in cast iron? Well, let's talk about it for a minute. How about can you saute onions in cast iron? Well, we certainly do that. Onions have water in it. So can you boil water in cast iron? How about tomatoes? Can you saute or cook tomatoes or tomato sauce in your cast iron? Well, some people say you shouldn't. Some people say you can't. I mean, I do. I cook chili in my cast iron all the time. And my chili has tomatoes in it. We make spaghetti, with tomato sauce. And so I don't see a problem with that, do you? But, there's some people that are saying that you can't boil water in cast iron. Now, I understand why they say that, because if you boil, let's just say, for instance, if you're making a pot of stew or even a pot of chili, and you're slow simmering or slow cooking or even boiling your chili for periods of time that has tomato sauce in it, it can begin to affect the seasoning on your cast iron, and it could possibly cause your food to kind of turn a blackish color. And what is happening at that point, some of the seasoning from your cast iron skillet or your Dutch oven or whatever you're using, some of the seasoning oil is releasing because it's so hot and because it may be acidic food like tomatoes or whatever. And water certainly will do the same thing. And so, but I mean, when we're cleaning our cast iron, we certainly want to use hot water, not necessarily boiling water, but we use hot water to, steam off the food particles or whatever. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base on that. I've had that comment, I've had that question asked to me, whether you can boil water in cast iron. Really, it's best to probably do it in an enamel cast iron. I don't even own a piece of enamel cast iron. So, the thing that you want to be careful about if you are not using enameled cast iron and all you have is regular black iron, just keep in mind that when you are boiling water or you are cooking chili or stew or something like that, it can weaken or loosen your seasoning on your your skillet or your Dutch oven or whatever. So just be sure, once you get your meal cooked and eaten and everything, and when you're washing and cleaning it up, be sure and add a coat of maintenance oil to it, and you're gonna be okay. So it's fine. You can boil water in cast iron, you can cook with tomatoes and tomato sauce, and you can saute with onions, you can deglaze with vinegar and wine if you want to, or whatever you want to do. It's your cast iron. Hey, y'all have a great weekend. It's Mike over here. Leave us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Share this out with somebody that might can be helped by it, and we'll be talking to you guys again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.